drained my transfer case, got all the fluid out, and I put the stopper in there. Disconnected, I think it was one connector, I think it was speed sensor. Disconnected that from the top and got all the bolts off. There were 2 bolts on the very top. Here again, I drilled above it, opened up an access hole to get those 2 bolts off the top. Finally got everything loose, and now I had to lower it. Use my jack with a piece of wood. Got fluid running out here. I thought it was all. And I lowered it with my hand, and I was able to get it down and out from the vehicle. That was over with. Now next, getting the bell housing separated from the engine. Those bolts on top, even though I had my access hole, it made it easier, but it was still a tight space. You have to have some long extensions here, different sizes. I was prepared, but it still wasn't enough, but it did take off the ease some. Okay, I got my starter out the way. 1/2-inch socket, got those 2 bolts out, got it hanging. And this cover that was on the side, 10mm bolt, got that one bolt out. And I got my transmission dipstick out. I just pulled it out the pan right there. There's 1 bolt, kind of hard to get to up there, but I had to use an offset. I don't know if you can even see it. There's a bolt up there using number 13 offset. Use a number 13 offset to get that transmission dipstick tubing out the pan there. Let's go to the top and pull that out. It came out. Then the gas lines up here. It's on the bracket. 10mm. I think no, 5/16, if I'm not mistaken, got that out. This little bolt right here. Well, this little washer and screw. Loosen up this bracket off the transmission. So that whole section here is free. These 2 lines and rubber tubing and harness wire all on this one bracket. The shift connector harness, you slide down on, you pull this little blue tab out the bottom down here, pull the blue tab out, and this slides down, and this whole unit comes off of here. To put it back, it just has to be down. You slide it on and slide this little blue clip back in there, but this pulls right out. Slide this down and this comes off. I'm not taking the transmission down, so I can leave this on, have enough cable back here. It stretches way back there. I'm just gonna unbolt it and slide it back enough to change my rear main seal. Okay, I got my socket ready to turn my engine and get these bolts off of the torque converter. Let's see what size socket this is. Got a 15, 16 socket. High impact socket. Ready to turn. And you can barely see that, but there's got my bolts exposed there. So I'm gonna take them off. As I turn this. Until I get to the next one.